it again with the D2 on it.
All right, D2 and black. The black.
The
Yeah.
gloves?
That black mold.
Oh yeah. Hardest to get off.
Well, yes.
And it takes the longest to clear up.
Would this chemical actually kill these spores for good?
About 90% of them probably.
Because I know
can't give
they
you an
say
exact
that
number.
you can't ever really get rid of it.
Well, it does a really good job.
Okay.
And it's going to be on your coverage. And that's where a lot of people say, oh, well, I dilute mine. Well, if you dilute it, it may still semi-work, but you may end up with trouble sooner than before. And usually people say, oh, it's so expensive. It's $60 one shipping with a gallon. Well, I can do 60 of these with a gallon. About $1 a stone. I think Great Grandma's worth a buck. So, as you see, I'm just going in a circle. Now, if you've got letters that may have growth in them, you can take these smaller tools and get down in here and scrape it out of the letters. Now, this one's not all that bad. But basically, we're just going to give it a scrub. Again, now that we've had the D2 dwelling on it for that time period. I got pictures from a lady in Florida last night. She hand scrubbed, I think it was 14 ledgers and a couple big monuments for 2 days.
Wow.
And she got them almost perfect with 2 days of scrubbing. Now, personally, I don't want to spend 2 days on 14 things. So, if you got a lot to do, this is about all we need to do is just a good once over. Now, I started with the water method to show you I could get some off with just water. And then here, we sprayed the D2 on, we let it dwell, and I'm just giving it a little scrub to knock off anything else I can. I'm not going crazy trying to get every little bit off. It's not necessary. And then I'm gonna come back and rinse it. You can see all that coming off. Now look, it's not done yet. It's going to continue to be effective for a number of reasons. One, there's going to be a little bit of solution that's sucked into the pores. It's going to continue to be activated. But the other thing that's happening is as the D2 attacks that biological growth and it begins to die, it's inside this vascular structure of this stone. Next time it rains, it absorbs a little water and the moisture evaporates. This UV beats down on it with the sun, it breaks down those dead particles. So it just gets cleaner and cleaner and cleaner over time. So obviously this is not stark white when we finished, but the next time someone comes out here, we should be a lot better. And that one, we're just gonna leave like that and let it be. So it's real simple to do. Once again,